I hate to say this to you, but if you're only selling content packages in 2026, you're screwed. Your business is like it's seeing a decline month after month, and you just haven't accepted the reality of the situation. And in this video, I'm going to break down what you need to be doing instead and how you can actually save your business and how you need to actually think about the market, what the market wants, how to differentiate yourself from every other videographer in town. So first things first, selling content packages got you here, right? It's an amazing offer, or it was, and you became so good behind the camera, and that became your identity. And that became who you are. You're the videographer, you're the creative, you're good behind the camera. You're the guy that understands how this whole game works. You can capture the moment and make content and story, whatever, right? Like you're good. But the truth is, that can only get you so far. Because what happened now is the market is shifting, the economy is changing, and business owners don't want content as much. And you're seeing this. That's why it's like pulling teeth when you ask someone to renew. That's why you can't charge more. That's why it's a struggle for you to grow your business month after month. And so, it's undeniable what's actually happening in the market. You need to make business owners money. Content alone doesn't bring in predictable results. Content alone looks great on their Instagram, looks great on their Facebook, looks great on their socials. But does it actually make that business owner money? Can you tie an ROI, a return on investment, from your videos to that business owner growing that month? And the clear answer is no, you can't. I was just talking to one of my top clients, Luke, and he's like, dude, I'm so grateful I pivoted out of videography. He went from $5K a month to $84,000 a month in 6 months. And the offer that allowed him to do this was content plus local Instagram ads. And that is where you need to be pivoting to. You need to understand where you're at right now is a comfort zone. Where you're at right now is you've learned skills, you've learned the skill set to get you here, but you haven't learned the skill set that's going to get you to the next level. The next level of income, the next level of freedom, the next level of business growth. And that next level up is actually showing business owners how to get results. So content plus a local ad system is what business owners need. And this is not a normal marketing setup. This is not like some SMMA. This is not like a whatever. This is not some BS offer that people have been selling for the last 10 years. It's a done with you offer. You work with business owners and help them implement local Instagram ads. And it's so freaking simple. The strategy is very, very simple. You help them create high quality content, and one or two of those pieces of content is an ad that talks specifically to who they want to attract, and then the ad is run as a post on Ads Manager, and we're going for profile visits. You bring in followers every single day, you plug and play a setting framework, and you can use ManyChat and whatnot to automate some of this process as well. And basically, they're one, building a local brand way faster than everyone else. Two, they're seeing leads come in every single day. Three, they're seeing sales come in from a simple system that you help them set up. For the first time in your life, when a business owner asks you, what return am I going to get working with you? What ROI am I going to see from this content? You can finally, confidently have an answer. For the first time in your entire life, you're going to be able to charge more and feel deep down that it's worth it because you know that business owner is going to make more money than they paid you. Can you actually say that about content? And if you can, you're lying to yourself, right? And so you need to understand that content plus local Instagram ads is the best offer out there in 2026. Literally the best offer ever. And this is proven. This is not theory. This has helped 275 videographers at this point hit record months. We've proven it. And the first ones that implement this in their city, they win. They win. Right now, you're literally competing on like cheap packages, and you're competing with, dude. Like, it's hard to like explain how crappy your offer is right now. Someone can literally get an iPhone and a DJI mic and be a videographer. Someone can get a base level camera and go and undercut you and be a videographer, a professional videographer. That's who you're competing with. You're competing with literally everyone and their grandma. And I've felt what it's like when the market gets saturated. I actually ran a content agency and someone acquired it and we got it to $60,000 a month MRR. We had some $80,000 and $100,000 months with it. And I felt that saturation hit me like a brick. What happened was we were absolutely crushing it with Alex Hormozy style edits. And what happened was we were able to retain clients at like $2,500, $4,000 a month for just edits. And it was killer. But then what happened? Editors overseas started hitting up these business owners being like, dude, I'll do edits for you for like $15 an edit. And these business owners were like, cool, we'll pay $500 a month, not $4,000 a month. And boom, business started getting harder. And I'm like, what's going on? Right? And then what I realized is like, dude, again, if we can't show businesses an ROI from this content, we're screwed. We're screwed. And right now, you are in that same exact boat. Right now, you're in that same exact position. You need to learn a new skill set, a skill set that brings business owners leads every single day. And it's a lot more simple than you think. We have a plug and play process to help you get ramped up on this exact system. But the whole point of this channel, the whole point of this content is to like literally save your business. Like I'm not saying like, oh dude, you're screwed to like bully you or like say like, oh dude, like I'm saying it because your livelihood is at stake. Your family's at stake. Like your rent payment in a couple of days is at stake. Like, dude, you need to realize markets shift. Offers need to pivot. Your skill set needs to be continuously evolving. If you don't see that, you're not built for this game of business. There's no such thing as an offer that lasts for forever. Look at Blockbuster. Netflix ate them up. Look at AI right now. It is replacing everything. And you think your videos are worth $3,000 a month just because you come out there? Like, some clients that are loyal will continue to pay this. Yes, I have a creative director I continue to pay on a retainer month after month because some content looks great and I need some high quality content for my events and masterminds and whatnot. But I am not paying an editor for this YouTube content, for my short form content. The game's shifting. You need to understand. And so, what you could do is start learning local Instagram ads. What you could do is start learning how the game is shifting. What you could do is start becoming more valuable to the marketplace, to the business owners, and that's going to allow you to make so much more money. So much more money. So, I'll attach a video down there that actually breaks down more of what that offer looks like that you should be selling to local service businesses and how you could sell it for way more money, work with less clients that pay you more, and stay for years instead of a couple months. All right? I'll see you in the next one. Let's go.